Now we're gonna play a little car roulette. Because I need to get this inside. Crack's getting bigger. The startup's really not that loud on this thing with catless downpipes. It's pretty subdued. Gotta watch that divot because this thing's so low. But I mean, this is the Audi and Acura musical chairs. So I move one into an area where I can work, and the other right there. All right, let's. Hopefully nobody shows up. GSR. It's a tight spot. The nabs. Let that fuel pump prime. That ABS light, real intermittent. Comes on, goes off. If anyone has any tips or tricks on that, let me know. Really tough angles here. Does not make it easy. Yeah, you know what's funny is like that ABS light hasn't been on in days. Even took it out this morning to go do a coffee run, no ABS light. As soon as I fire up the camera, ABS light. What you gonna do? Look at the interior of this thing. I mean, what else you want besides the ABS light to be off? Cold blip. All right, now. What is that? I mean, we can't have that. All right. See if we can finagle this thing in. I'm actually gonna go with the old two-step approach here. That post right there is what gets you. This sucks. I mean, welcome to apartment living. Also, I gotta check the front because it's so low. I don't want to crunch it. All right. All right, so here's what we got going on today for the Audi. I just need to clean some stuff up in the engine, but I need to install this hood strut real bad. And then I'm gonna put some defogger on the windows because on the inside because they keep fogging up nonstop. I don't get it. It fogs up more than any other car. Probably has to do a lot with the weather right now, but I mean, it's out of hand. So gonna put some defogger on there and see if that works. But yeah, I'm gonna get started on this. I don't know if it'll even stay up right now. Let's see. I mean, everything's so tight here. Oh look, that's that side, right? How's a car guy supposed to live? This is where I'm pulling in. I mean, that's unreal. I can't live like this. I can't wait to move into move to another state, tell you what. Buy a house. All this Seattle nonsense. So, as you can see, that's lost everything. It's cold too. In the summer it's fine because, you know, heat, expansion, gases. But it ain't working. You can get it all the way up. But I'm gonna have to prop that up. And I had some guys in here replacing some O2 sensors. I need to replace another one, but so they got this kind of dirty, so I'm gonna do a little detail, like to keep the engine bay as clean as possible. Wish I had better light for you guys. Maybe I'll plug one in. All right, guys, a hood strut, super simple. These little retaining clips slide on there. I pulled them off with pliers, and then I just gotta work this out here. And then there's, it should pop right off the bottom one too. Can't film it because I got to do it simultaneously because I don't have a prop right now. So, yeah, that's a pretty easy job. And voila, that easy. If I can get that on there, there we go. The bottom one. Flying off into space. Boom. Oh man, yeah, look at that. Rising up on her own. That's nice. All right, let's detail this thing. All right guys, so I think I might have a bit of a problem because this is the box that I carry and swap between my cars. And I just realized it's got a million different things in it. I mean, like I had light restoration. It's kind of like a storage, so I don't have to go into my storage. I mean, cargo net for the S4. I mean, some detailers. I got a whole bag of miscellaneous tools and stuff. An extra diagnostic tool. Didn't know I had that. That's cool. Guess I have two of them. One for each car. That's fine. A little extra oil. That was for the old car. I burned oil all the time. Gosh, Rain-X, additives, leather care, quick detailer, isopropyl alcohol, gloves. I mean, it's out of control. This is great. I'm gonna put this on the Acura intake. Work gloves. I mean, I guess I'm like, if something happens, got extra V-bands and stuff, but it's out of control. It's just way too much shit. And I usually just pile it all into here, so time to do a little reorg. That's a replacement cover for the ski box in the Audi. Don't need this anymore. This is, I think I had this for the Integra. Trying to figure out the GSR intake. Scrub brush. I mean, this is out of control. So let's do something about it.